Most people never start a business because they think they need money, capital, investors, connections. That belief alone kills more businesses than competition ever will. Here's a hard truth. 9 out of 10 businesses fail in the first year. So if you start with investment money, chances are you don't just lose the business, you lose the money too. That's why the strongest businesses don't start with cash. They start from zero. And today I'll tell you exactly why. I'm Ravi Gabis and welcome back to the Gabis Show, where we unlock the secrets of real wealth in the United States every single day. Today is episode 46 and today we're talking about business. I strongly believe that a real business, the kind that lasts, must be started from scratch, from zero. I've built businesses this way, and I even wrote a book about it, Business from Scratch Up to Millions, in 12 steps. It's my real story of how I built a company starting with nothing. Most people believe they need money to start a business. They think they need capital, investors, connections, something special. I disagree. Because the numbers are brutal. 9 out of 10 businesses shut within the first year. So when you start with investment money, you're taking a huge risk. There's a very high chance you'll lose that money. That's why I'm in favor of starting from scratch. Now let's talk about how most people think about business and why they're wrong. In marketing, there is a framework called the 5 P's: product, price, people, place, and promotion. Let's break this down. Do you really need a perfect product? People buy cheap, low-quality products every single day. Look at Dollar Tree. Look at mass imports. A perfect product is not what decides success. What about low prices? If low price was everything, luxury brands wouldn't exist. When people make more money, they don't buy 10 cheap cars. They buy one Mercedes or Rolls-Royce. What about people? When you start, you are the salesperson. You are the technician. You are marketing. You don't need a team in the beginning. What about location? If you sell online, your phone is your office. Your car can be your office. Your home can be your office. So what's the one thing without which a business cannot exist? And that is promotion. If nobody knows about you, you don't have a business. If nobody buys, you don't have a business. Business is a money machine, and money comes only from sales. Business starts with promotion and business ends when promotion stops. I've lived this myself. I ran one company for 12 years and later sold it. After the sale, I had leftover inventory sitting in my garage. And suddenly that inventory wasn't valuable anymore. Without promotion, it was just stuff very hard to sell. That's the mistake many entrepreneurs make. They think inventory is liquid. It is not. Inventory is liquid only while sales are happening. So if you are asking, where should I start my business? Start with sales. Sales are the foundation of any business. Everything else comes after. Once money starts coming in, then you build production. Then you rent an office. Then you hire an accountant. Then you legalize and scale. But first, sales. Always sales. That's enough for today. This is a big topic and we'll continue tomorrow. See you in the next episode.